Hey everybody, this short video is about the stitch control knob right here on this 411G. This is a 411G, and had a viewer, he was commenting on one of my 431G videos, and he was asking about an easy way to access the screws in the stitch control knob without having to take the whole stitch control knob shaft off and the whole 9 yards. Obviously that's a lot of work. So I had never really looked at my two 411Gs and my 431 stitch control knob levers all that close. But when I got that comment from our friend down, I think he's down somewhere like Australia, New Zealand, somewhere down there, I started to look at the machine and I realized that right here at the top of the control knob, and right there on the top, if it was a clock, it would be 12 o'clock, noon or midnight, and there's a little bit of a cutout that will just fit a fingernail in there just fine. So look at this. And I never knew that there was a cover. And that's on both the 411Gs and the Singer 431G. Now the 401s, they don't have that cover on them, and the 500s again are totally different as far as the stitch control knobs. But I just wanted to make a short, quick video about that because that really makes a difference. That is really cool, and this was one of my early machines from 4 years ago, roundabouts there, and I'd never really looked at it all that close because at the time it was beyond my experience. But now that I've been working on the 500 and its stitch control knobs, this is really, really good info. And speaking of the 500, I've got it right here as well. And so here I've got the 500 and all its parts, and these are all clean. There's the stitch control lever shaft, the needle driving bar, and there's some of the followers, those parts there, and they've all been cleaned, as has the cam disc. It's been cleaned as well, and this stuff has not been cleaned. It's soaking in oil right now. That's where I'm going to start on the video in about 15 minutes. I'm going to start there cleaning that off, and then I'm going to start to get these things back where they belong, right up in here. Get the stuff right back where it belongs. The cleaning turned out real great. But anyway, I digress. Thanks for watching this short video about the 411 stitch control knob and its cover. And make sure you have fun. I will too. Stay safe and come on back real soon. If you don't mind helping, please do subscribe. It does help. Thank you very much in advance. And yeah, adios amigos. Talk soon.